Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Eyecon app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you just click here on more down here. Then you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down, click here on app icon here, shortcut, just click on it. Then here you come here, so you just swipe here or here, click on add to home screen in this list on your icon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.